Hello students, in this video we will discuss about in thermodynamics, that is type of work and expression for pressure volume type work. 8वी 9वी 10वी मध्ये तुम्ही वर्कची डेफिनेशन शिकलात आणि इन मेकॅनिक्स म्हणजे वर्कची डेफिनेशन इन मेकॅनिक्स काय आहे तर एनर्जी टू डू वर्क किंवा वर्क इज डिफाइंड ॲज द एनर्जी ऑफ बॉडी to displace through the distance d, that is called as a work. म्हणजेच काय तर वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. पण आपल्या थर्मोडायनामिक्स मध्ये वर्क मीन्स इट इज द प्रेशर व्हॉल्यूम टाइप वर्क. प्रेशर द प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर अँड चेंज इन व्हॉल्यूम, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द वर्क. मग आता जर्नी कुठून तर फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट टू प्रेशर व्हॉल्यूम वर्क. तर ही जी जर्नी आहे यालाच आपण डेरिवेशन म्हणूया आणि डेरिवेशन ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन फॉर प्रेशर व्हॉल्यूम वर्क हे आता या व्हिडिओ मध्ये पाहणार आपण. सो कन्सिडर अ गॅस एनक्लोज इन अ सिलेंडर विथ वेटलेस अँड फ्रिक्शनलेस पिस्टन. ओके, सपोज दिस इज द व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ गॅस and this is a piston. This is the area of piston. Area of piston and this is A. Okay. And now the pressure of this piston, that is P, which is equal to the pressure of gas. Okay. For the expansion here, if this piston move upward through distance D up to this. Through distance here D. Now the pressure is minus P external. Okay. So here this piston it is upward and so this pressure is released. Okay. And therefore it is minus P external. So here force is equal to minus P external into area of cross section, this area of cross section and the pressure of piston. Okay, that is called as a force. Okay, so here work done is equal to, according to definition, work done is equal to force into this displacement. So work is equal to force into displacement. So work it is denoted by W is equal to force it is denoted by F into displacement D. If this equation is 1 and this is equation number 2, so putting value of F from equation 1 into 2. So we get W is equal to, here for F here minus P external into A and into displacement D. This is equation number 3. Okay. Now here this A into D means what? This is the area of cross section. Okay. And this is the displacement, means this is height H. If this area is pi r square, if it is circular, so it is pi r square and the height is h. So the multiplication of that is pi r square h, and this is the nothing but the formula of volume. But which type of volume? Only this volume, because the height is this. So this volume. So if the final initial volume is V1 and now the final volume is V2. Now this volume is V2 minus V1 and therefore here A into D is equal to change in volume. Change in volume. That is equal to V2 minus V1 and that is equal to del V. So the equation 3 becomes W is equal to minus P external into del V. That is equal to minus P external here V2 minus V1. So the W is equal to minus external pressure into change in volume. This is the expression for work done or pressure volume work. Okay. Now we have this formula. So after this formula, W is equal to minus P external into del V. This is also written as P external V2 minus V1. If Q is positive, that is amount of heat is absorbed by the system. If Q is negative, then amount of heat is evolved from the system. In the same way, if W is negative, then V2 is greater than V1, means this is positive. And if this is positive, positive into negative, that is negative. And if volume is V2, means final volume is greater than initial volume, then expansion takes place. Means work is done by the system. And if work is positive, then V2 is less than V1. Means V2 is less than V1, this is negative, positive. And if V2 is less than V1, means gas is compressed. So here compression takes place. And the work is done on the system. Here work is done by the system on the surrounding. Work is done on the surrounding by the system. Okay. This is the expression for PV work. So after watching this video, then attempt the following question. First question, derive expression for PV work. Second, define work in thermodynamics.